What's up guys? Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the iPad 2. So let's open up the box. The box is pretty much just like this, and it has iPad on the side, and then a picture of the iPad, and then iPad, and then nothing on the back, just information. So when you first lift up the cover, you'll see this. So of course, when you first take off the cover, you'll see the iPad, and there's a tab here you can pull to lift it up. And then you're gonna see the charger over here, and then designed by Apple in California, and inside that you have the fingertips and all the information. And of course the Apple stickers. And then you have the sync cable. And that's it. So here is the iPad. Let's take the shit off it. So let's turn it on for the first time. So as you can see, it comes with iOS 5, so you could just set it up. You don't need to plug it in the computer. So as you can see, I'm almost done setting it up. I don't want to use it. Don't sound. Sure. So that's it, it's set up, and let's see what version of iOS 5 it has. So as we can see, it has iOS 5.0.1, so that will be easy to jailbreak. Well, that's it for the unboxing, and I'll have more videos with reviews of games and apps and all that kind of stuff later on. So please subscribe and do all that stuff. Yeah, man. Should be good. So you guys might be wondering why I bought the iPad so late when the iPad 3 is coming out on Friday. The reason is because I'm gonna compare it with the iPad 3, so that's the only reason I bought the iPad 2, is to compare it. So stay tuned for that, and once again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.